what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day to talk about what's happening with XRP in the XRP community. And market cap XRP is at around $8.04, slightly in the red today, with a lot of these other coins, as you guys can see, some in the green for sure. But if you go up here, look at Bitcoin, seems like it's going back up. But now, guys, before jumping into this, is not financial, 5% system of value only. XRP Captain see out. David Schwartz confirmed, flip the switch. Now, guys, come on.
You have a switch that you can flip whenever you're ready to handle real money. You have a switch that you can flip whenever you're ready to handle real money.
Look at that XRP built as well, guys. So come on, he literally tells people the truth. Now, guys, you're the fun part of XRP in the XRP community, and this is called quite interesting. David Schwartz has tweeted out. Now he's replying to this tweet right here. Congratulations to those who decoded this tweet, which accurately told them exactly what was going to happen in both the stock and crypto markets over the past week. People who looked really closely also saw that I correctly called the Ravens over the Broncos again, guys. I mean, is this a joke? Probably not, right? If you go down here, whenever David Schwartz says is financial advice, that means buy XRP again, guys. So make your own call. Wojciech Kaswitał, Mr. Pool, and IMF. What do we see here? This is pretty mind-boggling. Look at this. This as well. If you go down here, look at from the IMF, guys. Again, look at this, guys. Contributors in the latest FAND-D on climate offer solutions for a greener energy future. What did we talk about in the last video, guys? That can generate opportunities for jobs and growth driven by stepped up infrastructure investment and technological innovation. There we go. Again, a lot of narratives being pushed these days, aren't there, guys? We know what that means. Bitcoin is not coming in, guys. Pretty crazy stuff. Now, Tcash has tweeted out this right here, which connects to what? The umbrella network. Look at that umbrella network. If you go down here, look at those umbrellas. A lot of stuff does seem to be happening today, guys, or has already happened. We see here from Benson Luna, 10-4, if I'm correct, could be the black swan. As you guys can see, 410, 10-4, as well as this right there with the numbers. Now, if we go to the next sheet, which connects from Disclose TV, just in Evergrande 3333 and Evergrande Property Services 6666, stock trading halted in Hong Kong. Well, you look at that, guys. Look at that. Seems like 93. Interesting, huh? I mean, these things, these domino effects, right? The events seem to be happening. Crypto Whales, China has halted Evergrande and dozens of other stocks from trading in order to stop them from plummeting to the floor. They want the panic and fear to spread to foreign markets so they don't absorb all the damage. This is 2008, but much worse. Again, guys, this was 1929, the year or around that year, guys, when everything collapsed hard, like the depression, right? I mean, what do you guys think? Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Because these things does seem to be happening. Again, from Crypto Will, it's just not Evergrande. Look at that. Pretty crazy stuff, isn't it? Halted from trading in Hong Kong. Again, Zero Hedges pseudo, China may have to ban cryptos again. How many times will they ban cryptos, guys? But perhaps, do they know something, we don't know as in the public, right? As the retail traders. Now, Cryptomaniac is tweeted out, happening now. Social media alongside major US phone carriers are down. Look at that. Sorry, we're experiencing technical difficulties. Now, what happened? If we go to the next one from Disclose TV, just in, Facebook employees reportedly can't enter building to evaluate the internet outage because their door access badges weren't working. What will you see? What do we see? Look at this, internet outages, right? Again, come on, guys. This could be spoilers, guys, but I don't know if you guys watch movies or not. We see here from TruthSeek, so James Bond gets killed in No Time to Die. Alright, is there a connection being made here? Yes, there is. If you go to an XRP from Crypto Fan, it seems like 4 days later, last chance to buy. We see this right here. Look at that. Pretty crazy, guys. Now, if you go to the next tweet from Ate, so 4 days after the death of my hero JB, it's a last chance to buy, Grandpa. Now, as I said before, Grandpa did not give me an exact name, but it's possible things are lining up correctly now. Grandpa was a man of metaphors. I'm just following his instructions. Bye for now, as you guys can see. So there's probably a connection being made right here from the first decider. Timing is everything. Update soon. And again, guys, seems like timing is everything. So we'll soon get an update to see what's actually taking place. Now, next it comes from Valjesser. Don't be surprised if you hear a real settlement between the SEC and Ripple soon. Well, real in circumstance. Again, look at that, guys. Don't be surprised if we hear a real settlement. Seems like we have to be close, right? At the end of the day, Crypto tweet out both settlement articles reveal 11.5. Look at this, 11.5. You guys can pause and check how he did it right there. Just add it up and then 11.5 for 5th. So again, guys, we have seen this date how many times, right? If we go down here, we can see how this connects. Look at that, 11.4. Again, November 5th. So, again, guys, how many times? It seems like that should be a significant date. I don't know if it's going to be for price action or whatnot, but for at least an event to take place, that should be a pretty crazy date. Now, Gorgecko Sudo, be careful. Evergrande Tether possible connection here could trigger a domino effect unless liquidity can be provided. It seems like if we take a closer look at this logo, guys, what do you guys see? Probably an explosion taking place, which is very fascinating, this logo. It's not 100% the legit logo, but you guys can go ahead and check out the Tether logo and be surprised on what observations you might make, right? Once again from Valjesser, close. Guaranteed you'll see a serious geopolitical event around the time of the lawsuit settlement with Ripple, close proximity. So this is how it's going to play out. We see this event take place, right? That'll be huge by the looks of it, a serious one. Then the Ripple case is then settled. Again, it's for sure. What is it? Rituals and all of these things taking place, guys. That's all they do, right? Just be prepared. Now, Recollia Sudo, very important. Please read and share, as we see right there. October 15th. If you go down here, Thor's Well, Ragnarok, Mr. Poole. XRP goes to the moon afterwards. His previous post was Mr. Poole's Destruction Island, Lighthouse. Destruction Island, guys. Again, just a thought to think about, right? Laurie Hancock is tweeted out. Remember, one touch, connecting everything together in the blink of an eye. Doesn't it seem the quantum financial system Starling? What does XRP do too? You guys know, connects the whole world together. That's why the whole world literally backs up XRP, guys. So a lot of connections does seem to be made right there. NCJ Rothschild is tweeted out, I highly advise you to put half of your future crypto gains in physical silver and gold coins. Again, buy gold with XRP. Now, what's going to take place, guys? Perhaps remember, if you guys know Evergrande collapses, it could obviously trickle down to different markets, right? Perhaps the US. Now, you might want to be careful. You might want to prepare, guys. The fountain for today's video comes from Baba Cooks. We all have a voice, this is very interesting. If you go down here, look at this. Congratulations, John Deaton and XRP hodlers. You now have an official voice in the Ripple vs SEC case. Wow, that's actually pretty mind-boggling, guys. So we all have a voice. Again, a lot of connections being made. Remember, these tweets were from years ago, guys, which is very fascinating to say the least. Again, the riddlers are just here to guide and, shine some light right alongside. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys would please leave a like, subscribe, and share for future more channels to get this. So hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. And you guys, see ya.